Hello, everyone, and welcome back here to the Pulse with the PeakBot team. I am your co-founder and co-host, Dillon, joined by co-founder and co-host, Ben, and Thomas, partner of ours, great member of the team. You guys know him well now. You wouldn't know him by the headshot on the intro here, which, I was just, Thomas, truthfully, I was getting close to saying, hey, maybe I'm going to carve some time out of my day, get a headshot put in there for you. And then, backstage before the show, Thomas just attacking me on my diet. It's just unbelievable.
Why don't you tell everybody what your sandwich order was?
Well, for anybody, look, we're Jersey guys, okay? For the most part, we're Italian Jersey guys. I think Jersey Mike's Subs is a great establishment. I think that they have good sandwiches. I ordered 2 times in the last 2 weeks a Chipotle chicken cheesesteak, add bacon. Which I mentioned to Thomas. Thomas, very familiar with Jersey Mike's, having worked there. He said that was fat. He just immediately was just like, wow, that is a fat sandwich. That's the highest calorie sandwich on the menu. You're adding bacon. Thank you. So Thomas isn't going to have a headshot on the intro, but pleasure to be here. Another crazy week of trading. A fun one. We're going to dive into that. We have a lot to address here on today's show. Mm-hmm. Of course, if you tuned in on Monday, we revealed that the prior week's PeakBot picks actually ended in a 3-way tie for the first time ever. We all went 3 for 3. 100% of the picks made were picked correctly. So we need to settle this. And there's only one way we settle this. It's not, ROI or premium earned. It's rocks, paper, scissors.
It's gotta be.
So I think, who do we want to be the caller here?
I think you do it. I think you drop the call and then we'll split it.
I'm going to do it. Okay. Just maybe I can share screen and just show these winning picks quickly. And then we can do the Rochambeau. Here we go. Can you guys see my screen here?
No. Oh, now we're good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So these were PeakBot picks selected on the 27th, expired last Friday, the 4th. All went 3 for 3. I had 3 bulls. Ben and Thomas had 2 each and a bear. So we're going to rocks, paper, scissors right now to determine the winner here. Elimination style, right, gentlemen? I mean, that's what makes the most sense here. So if we're all ready, please have the base and the hand here in screen, please. Okay, ready? Here we go. Rocks, paper, scissors. Pause.
No, I said it.
Why did you say it, Tom?
Because it's just like a habit. It's a habit. You throw
okay.
Throw
ready?
It happens.
Ready. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
You won.
Dillon wins. Dillon wins. He takes it all.
Just like that. You know what they say?
Wow.
70% of wheel PeakBot trades win. 70% of men go rock first on rocks, paper, scissors. What they say. I just went with the numbers, and we took home the victory. 1-0. We got some live trades coming through.
Oh,
not yet. We've got Iron Condor set up on this account as well as trend spread on DPST. I just wanted to get it on screen. Iron Condor is pretty consistent about taking trades between 12 and 12:01. So we can show that. Of course, we will put hands up as soon as the clock strikes 12, and that's going to happen in about 12 seconds.
I have mine on screen. We can put yours back on.
We can see Thomas, hands up.
Oh, yeah.
We can see yesterday's Iron Condor, one of the sides, I'm assuming the put side has filled, and then the call side is still, I'll have to check that. I'm not too sure which side filled and which side still open, but both sides have diminished in value quite a bit. So it looks like it's going to be a good day for Iron Condor. And then we are going to get these new Iron Condor trades placed in just a second.
I don't know whose screen is on. Is it mine or yours?
This is my screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Well, this is awkward now.
Yeah, now this is just taking too long. Uh-oh. Should I go through? Down. Oh,
there it is.
There it
is. QQQ Condor popped up right at the top of the screen. Yeah, look at that. Right between 12 and 1201.
50 cents.
I got some as well. If somebody wants to flick mine up there.
Yep, I got you.
That's just also a great credit, Ben. 50 cents.
Yeah, 50-cent credit. Love that.
I got the same on Q's.
Wow.
And then 44 cents on SPY.
Huh. That's great, and I love that because the most you can lose on it is 50 cents then. Yeah. So you got not a 50-50 chance, but the win size to loss size ratio is 1-to-1. And the way that the strike prices are set up at the certain deltas, we're giving ourselves over a 60% chance of winning. So I really like when that happens, when there's a 50-cent credit. And if you're trading on Tradier Pro, which is only $10 a month, you are trading those contracts commission free. So that 50 cents is all yours. You don't have to pay that 65 cents that other brokers charge you. So if you're not on Tradier Pro, get on Tradier Pro. Otherwise, I think the fee is like 35 cents.
35 cents. Still cheaper
still better than others, but why not pay the $10 a month? You will make that $10 back in commission fees. What we did the math. It's like, I don't know, 100 contracts or something. Totally worth it. It's probably less than that. It's probably 30 actually.
I thought it was
totally worth it to do it.
No brainer. Cool. So some Iron Condor trades filling. I have some trend spread trades that now that the trading window is open, I'll keep a close eye on, see if I get any more entries there. I actually posted this on Twitter earlier. I had 5 trades in my portfolio this week, 2 on the wheel, 2 on Condor, 1 on trend spread. 4 out of those 5 as of right now are profitable. Ben, is this your account?
Yeah, I actually flipped back to one of my other accounts here, and I got this looks like the cash flow bot is placing trades for me.
Nice.
Cash flow bot placed some trades, got me into Walmart, got me into GLD. I think there's maybe been some wires crossed on my account between my retirement account and my personal account, but we're all good.
Okay. If you say you're good, then I take
Wait, what screen am I showing right now? I'm still showing. Okay, I didn't show the right screen yet. I got
still on Tradier.
Yeah. I gotta stop sharing and then start sharing.
Tough. Take the L.
Tough look. Oh, and then my spread for BitX just went through. So.
Nice.
That's like the Bitcoin ETF, right?
Yeah, it's one of them. Okay, cool. So my positions are set up for the week coming.
And a VIX trade, Ben? That's kind of cool.
We're good to go.
What'd you say, Thomas?
A VIX trade. What'd you do on the VIX there?
Oh, that's just a manual trade that I'm doing. I'm testing out a strategy on the VIX.
Tell us about it.
Yeah,
maybe or maybe don't.
Or maybe not.
Yeah, not yet. I don't want to distract.
Okay. All right. So
it's turning into a really bad trade, so I'm kind of embarrassed to talk about it.
Hey, look, even the best traders in the world have bad trades. Not me lately, but that's fine. All right. So agenda today, of course, we've settled the score on last week. A lot of PeakBot picks going on. We've settled the score. Okay. I need to make a note. Thomas, do me a favor. Shoot me a message in Slack right now, just as a reminder. Update the leaderboard. Ben, you and I are both 1-1. Thomas is 0 for 2. That's the new leaderboard update. Mm-hmm. Now, we do have picks that we can look at that expired today. With a couple hours remaining, we can just do our check-in, see how we're looking for this week, and then we need to make our picks, for next week. So we got a lot of picking to do right now. So why don't I pull up my screen and we can take a look at selections that we made on the 4th, last Friday, expiring today. So just a quick glance here. And then what I would think we should do is have Ben, maybe you pull up your Tradier chart.
I got it.
Okay. So I personally had 2 bulls, 1 bear. Ben was full bear last week. Thomas also, like myself, 2 bulls, 1 bear.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to fare well this week.
Well,
nope.
I'm still
actually.
DJT hasn't failed me yet.
DJT and Walmart are picks on this list that I don't think have lost. Okay. Who do we want to start with, gentlemen? I won, so why don't I determine it? Let's get Ben's Bears out of the way. Here we go. BitX earned $30 in premium on a bearish call spread, looking to stay below 29.5.
Below 29.5. Look at us. Look at us going
all right.
bearish.
Well, we were all concerned, Okay. Next one. Etsy. Ticker ETSY, bear spread. $25 earned in premium, trying to stay below 55.
Below 55. Hey now.
Okay, so
I guess
can a bear win in a bull market?
DJT, I mean, let's just round it out. We know how this one's going to go. DJT, $25 earned in premium, trying to stay below 19. Whoa.
Wow.
Unexpected.
Crushed.
That's a nice little squeeze you got hit with there.
Yeah.
Dang.
Wow. Okay. All right.
That's a crazy squeeze. Where did you go wrong? Wait, where was the...
Oops, I got the wrong
all
banner.
Week we've just been pumping DJT.
Wow, up 5% in a week. There was no... I don't think he gave...
It's 5% today, Thomas.
Oh, that's today. Oh, yeah, you're right, actually.
Wow. Okay. All right. So Ben, right now,
Brutal.
2 for 3.
2 for 3.
Let's take a look at Thomas's here. Okay. So Thomas, you want your bear or your two bulls first?
Drop me the bull first. Let's go.
Here we go. NVIDIA put spread bullish, $98 earned in premium, trying to stay above 120 expiring today.
Yes.
Wow.
Well above.
That my financial advice from Twitter.
Okay.
Paid off.
Nice. Yeah, actually, I remember that now. You said that.
I said
Maybe a good time to mention about, speaking of financial advice, we are not financial advisors. None of this is financial advice. Just
let me get that banner.
Yeah, get that banner up. Pump it out for a minute. Let's meet the quota. All right. Ulta. Put spread bullish, $300 in premium. This must have been a wide spread. $372.50 is what we're looking to.
Sorry, I was getting the banner up.
372.50.
No.
Oh, that's close.
Ooh, that is close.
Look at the 5-day.
Crazy. Just trickled down.
Oh.
Wow, Thomas, you're pulling it off today.
Yeah, but look at this channel. When did this start consolidating?
I don't like that. Yeah, I don't. What do you call it? Consolidation. I don't like that
consolidation.
Consolidation at. It looks like there's a top at about 373 ish. So yeah, I mean, and you could kind of see it today. That consolidation has not bumped up over 373.
Okay, well, he's only looking to get above 372.5.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, and Ulta's been there. Ulta's been there today.
You've been there, Thomas.
Yeah.
I mean, this looks very similar to the SPY today. So all right. We'll see how SPY finishes.
Okay.
All right. So Thomas is 1 for 2 on paper.
Bear, Oxy, ticker OXY. Is that Occidental Petroleum? I don't actually know that. $16 earned in premium, trying to stay below 58. Hit us. Nice.
Below 58.
All right, 2 for 3. Here we go. Let's round out with the hot hand here. We're going to hit the call spread first. MRK, bearish, $19 earned in premium for me. $112 is my sold strike, looking to stay below that. Nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. Okay. Now what do we got? Ticker LUV. Put spread. Bullish. Southwest, right? Yeah.
Yep.
$11 in premium earned. $30 sold strike. Trying to stay above it. Loving it.
All right.
also pretty close, but not. I mean, it's a $30 stock. 50 cents is a decent amount of breathing room. Okay, 2 for 2, and trusty old Walmart. WMT is my last one. I actually don't know. I actually haven't looked at this trade. Yeah, I think it's making money.
I was going to say, is there even a doubt? But we had a doubt we didn't have a doubt on DJT.
Well, I'm trading Walmart. I looked at it earlier today. It was winning. $14 earned in premium, sold strike at 79. Talk to me.
All right, you're above.
Just the best chart ever. I love this chart. Thomas is on the customer service line, that's for sure.
Yeah, sorry.
It's all right. Hey, look, that's live customer service right there. All right, so look, no surprise to anyone. 3 for 3 right now for your boy. Have a good amount of breathing room on all of them. Gonna need a miracle out of my partners here, just to compete. But hey, best of luck to you.
Yeah, okay. I think I'm shot with DJT being so far in the money now.
Yeah, that's a tough one. Okay, so if we would like, I know we want to be efficient today. We got a lot of stuff going on. Do we want to give any updates or talk about anything else or get into picks for this week?
Let's get into the picks.
Let's get into picks. Thomas, are you in the middle of some customer service chats? Because if you are, then we will.
Last.
You're last? Okay.
Yeah,
that sounds convenient. That sounds mighty convenient for Thomas. But that's what we'll do. That means Ben's going first. I hope Ben, isn't also. Guys, we're building a business here, okay? This live show is a priority, but also our customers are a priority. If things are happening, we got to make sure they're getting taken care of. Plus, that's why I'm here. I could do this solo if I needed to.
That wouldn't be any fun.
No, it wouldn't be any fun. Be more fun than either of you two doing it solo, though.
Yeah.
Ben's like,
that's true.
All right, let's look at it.
All right, we're going to look at the economic calendar first. I am going to filter for only high importance events. We're not going to look in August. We're going to look at next week. So next week, nothing major scheduled for Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. We have retail sales coming out pre-market on Thursday and building permits pre-market on Friday. Again, none of that is screaming to me, look out. If we take this filter off, we can see, of course, a bunch of other events that are happening. We got some members of the Fed giving a speech on Monday outside. No, actually, there's a 3:00 speech here. And then we have some bill auctions. We've got some more Fed speeches, none of them being Jerome Powell. And just a bunch of other data coming out. Again, nothing, not financial advice, of course, but nothing really screaming, hey, look out. So with that said, now let's go take a look at the SPY. And I mean, it looks like, last week when we were looking at this, we were looking at a channel between what was it, 565 and 575. Yeah. And it looks like between Monday or Wednesday, yesterday, today, we're kind of breaking above that trend. So it looks like the bullish trend might continue.
So new all-time highs, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Gotta be. Yeah. All right. So Ben, take a look. Let's just look at the last 5 days and then just quickly, and then let's look at the okay. You were right with that curve. I forget what other stock we were looking at before where it looked just like the SPY.
Ulta, yeah.
Ulta. Okay, really interesting here. What's the technical analysis say?
Technical analysis
week and month. Okay.
Looks pretty bullish on the month, and then the week looks very bullish. Whoa. No sell signals.
It's not one soldier over there. Okay. All right. Well, Ben, you're up. If you need a second, you can get ready, prep yourself. I'll have a timer going here.
Yeah, get that timer going. I'm going to get the watch list set up here. So I've got PeakBot's watch list. It was last updated at 12:12. So that's good. I'm just going to refresh.
Mid-picks. Yeah, you might want to refresh mid-pick.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay, I'm going to go to the detailed trend spread weekly watch list. And Dillon, why don't you go ahead and start that timer?
I'm trying to give you the solo layout there. That's what I was looking for. Okay.
There we go.
Thank you. Here we go. 5 minutes, right? On the clock.
5 minutes on the clock.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. So first step, as I always do, is I like to sort by buffer. I like to see a high buffer. It does give me these very high risk stocks, but the stock has to move a lot. Of course, we saw last week that that caught up to me a little bit with DJT. DJT is still the largest buffer on this list by far. It makes it very tempting. I know DJT is trading at $25 now, going up to $31 by the end of next week. I just don't see that happening. I'm gonna stay bearish on DJT. I would have lost this week if I had taken that trade.
All right.
I don't know, man. Going from where it was at like 20 something dollars last week up to $31, a 50% gain in 2 weeks. Yeah, it could happen. It could totally happen, but I'm gonna bet on it not happening for the sake of this competition.
Give me the numbers. Give me the strike and the premium.
So we've got a $31 strike, and get this, $143 in premium.
Unbelievable. All right, one pick in.
That's crazy. That's
3 minutes.
Crazy.
3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Ben, are you taking those TJT trades?
No, I'm not touching that.
Okay.
I'm doing that just for the competition.
Just wanted to know.
Man, do I be ballsy here and I keep going with these crazy, like, do I go with GameStop right now? Is GameStop going to get above 2250? It could. Yeah, it's close. It is a high buffer percentage. Let's see.
High buffer also comes with a lot of high risk.
Sunrun is bearish now. I think it was bullish for a while. Let's take a look at the chart. Since middle of September, bearish. I think I like the way that looks. I see the week. Looks pretty bearish there. It's pretty bearish. Okay. All right. I think I'm going to go bearish on Sunrun. $17 strike, $16 premium.
We were looking at all these bullish metrics for the market, and you're like getting lost in the sauce here. But I like it.
Yeah, I am. I'm definitely getting lost in the sauce here. I mean, I could go lift bullish. Strike price at 13 is trading at 13.79. I don't love that. I'm going to go back to the top of this list, see if there's anything that sticks out.
And you're sorting by buffer, right?
I am sorting by buffer, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go by probability of profit real quick.
2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
Gonna look for bullish Vertiv, Caesars Entertainment. Caesars has a decent buffer, moderate risk, positive EV. The strike is $43. It's trading at 45. Don't hate it. Okay. We've been on a trend up since, I'll call it August. Might be a little generous, but call it August. Let's see the week. Okay. There's some sell signals still from the technical analysis. Let's see if we've got any better options. Chipotle Mexican Grill. When did they stock split? Because their stock was always...
like right before the end of the summer.
1 minute and 18 seconds remaining.
Interesting. So I think that's going to factor into my decision here. CMG. A lot more people, I think, are going to be buying Chipotle stock. Okay.
58 seconds remaining.
How many?
58 seconds.
Oh, 58. Okay. I think I'm going to go with Chipotle ticker CMG. Bullish. 57 strike. $10 premium.
What's the risk level on that? On the watch list? Low.
Moderate.
Okay. All right, you're in.
I'm in.
Very cool. Okay. So not what I expected there. 2 bears and a bull, but love it. That's the beautiful part about this watch list is you can find different opportunities in so many different ways. So very cool. Ben, you're locked in. Thomas, it's still convenient for you to go last. Is that correct? Or you want to go now?
It is still very convenient to be going last.
Okay. Whoa. Well, that's my timer. I'm like, what is that?
No, this is my timer.
Well, I heard timer on my computer. Oh. You guys didn't hear that big ring?
No.
Let's talk about that for just half a second. How does pretty impressive technology, to like
artificial intelligence
to cut out that noise for you guys, although it's happening in my room, is pretty wild. All right. Anyway, let me share my screen. I got to refresh my alerts. Got to refresh my watch lists here. And then we're going to get going. All right. I think everybody knows the first stock I'm going to. Ben didn't take it. He almost made a funny and did it. Did you start the time?
Yeah. Should I not have?
All right. Is my screen even on? Okay. All right.
Yeah, you got to zoom in, kid.
All right. So we're saying that that Walmart is not currently on the detailed trend spread watch list. If that's what the world we're living in, then I don't want to live in it. But here we go. We're going to go with the highest buffer. I'm going to take a look at some things, and then I'll zoom in for the people. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to go high buffer, and then I'm going to skip all the way down this risk column. I want bullish lower. I want the first. Okay, there's some bullish moderates on here. Ben was looking at maybe a couple of these. I'm still waiting for the first low risk to pop up. Might be okay. Neutral, which means I can pick either side. Some good stocks on here, but I'm going to listen to myself. Man, I can't find a bull low. Okay. Bristol Myers. We're going to listen to it. We're going to go with this. 2 big companies I like that I want to look at here. Bristol Myers, Squibb, BMY. We are bullish, trying to stay above 51. So we're going to head in here, research. What is it? BMY? Yeah. Okay. Trying to stay above 51. Okay. Let's look at the last month here. Last time we were trading in that range was end of September. Last 5 days, this isn't looking so good here. I hate to say. We're going to move past that. Going back to the watch list, LOW, lows. Let's see what we got here. LOW, we're going to move this over to the right a little bit. Let's look at the strike prices. Bullish lower, trying to stay above 270. It's a $15 strike above 270. Okay, so I'm going to look at the technical analysis first. I like that. That's for the week. That's for the month. What did I just say we were trying to stay above? Lows above 270. Okay. That seems like I feel like we can do that. Yeah. All right. Give me lows. Bullish above 270. $47 earned in premium.
All right.
I'm going to look at
Amazon. Bullish 270, 47 premium.
Amazon, looking at Amazon 185, AMZN 185. Let's look at the technical analysis. It's going to be, if the market's going to be this bullish, those are going to be just as bullish. But let me see how I feel about the chart. We got some buffer, 185. It's trading at 188. Look at the last month. We've been in uptrend since the 7th. Kind of up and down. Maybe have a little bit of breathing room here. We definitely see resistance up here, but that's well out. How much time do I have?
Minute 30.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you're running out of time.
Okay. All right. Give me Amazon above 185.
Amazon, $185.
And $70 earned in premium, please. And then I'm going to look. MSFT Microsoft.
1 minute.
Oh, God. Oh, wait. Microsoft's bearish. Okay, I don't mind that. 422.5. That doesn't look great. Okay, can't do that. Oh, no, people. Oh, no. All right, let's look at XOM. How much time I got?
You got 30 seconds.
Okay. XOM. 121. Give it to me. XOM 121 and 35 in premium. I actually really like this chart. Well, I like the consolidation.
All right.
Okay. I'm in. I might take Ben, you want to slack me that?
Yes, I can
In the
slack
group
you
with
that.
Thomas? Slack me that. All right. Thomas.
I'm ready.
You ready?
You're not
share screen if you're ready.
All right.
Screen would say
you're right. You're right. You're right. I'm sharing the screen. Screen is shared.
Okay.
I'm in.
Yeah, here we go.
All right.
First, you got a timer? Oh,
yep.
Whoa.
Yep. It's going. It's going.
All right.
Tell me when I'm ready. Tell me when I'm ready. Hold on.
We got to restart.
All right. We'll restart.
That's on me.
You guys weren't ready for me.
3,
all right, come on.
2, 1, go.
All right.
Just like,
first off, we're going bearish this week. I know.
Oh.
I know. We're gonna go 2 bears, 1 bull. That's going to be the strategy.
Let's see it.
First, I want to take a look at Oxy. I always go for that stock, OXY. I'm on the wrong thing. Research. There we go. All right. Been bearish. Pops up a little bit. It really couldn't hold down there. I think bearish could be the play here. Let me see what the watch list says. It has it as bearish. It's got it on a $57 strike price. So that's all the way up here. Yeah, all right. Bearish Oxy 57.
I need the premium.
$12.
Okay.
Ben, you were bullish or bearish on BidX? Oh, bearish. No, yeah. I don't like that. How's McDonald's? Talking about food. Let's take a look at McDonald's here.
I love McDonald's, not the stock, but the food.
What's wrong with the stock?
Hitting some good highs here.
I was going to say, stock doesn't suck.
No, it's not that I don't love the stock. I just don't know the stock as well as I know the food.
Let's keep doing small talk during Thomas's lifetime. I love this.
I can do it. I can multitask here. What do you normally get when you go to McDonald's, though?
Recently I tried, Ben, you go first. I'll think of the name of it. Ben has the same order every time, I think.
Yeah, I just do cheeseburger, small fry.
What?
Yeah, buffalo sauce.
Wait, hold on. That's a weak order, Ben.
I add lettuce to the burger.
That's still an even weaker order.
Dude,
I need SQ bullish.
Wow.
I don't need a lot of food. I don't need a lot of calories.
SQ bullish at 68. Give me the premium.
57.
Bulldozing right through our McDonald's conversation.
Well, now I want to hear your order, Dylan.
Well, you're going to tell me it's fat. I tried their new chicken sandwich or whatever it was.
Oh, the Big Mac chicken.
Yeah, it was really good.
It just came out yesterday.
Or no, that wasn't it, Ben. That wasn't it. It didn't have another piece of bread. It was not the Big Mac McChicken.
It just came out yesterday, Dylan.
No, I haven't had that, but I want it. 2 minutes and 13 seconds, Thomas.
Don't try to get me out of here now.
You're not even explaining to the people why you're making these picks. I hope they're entertained.
It's on the screen. It's on the screen.
I want to know, Thomas, how'd you know the Big Mac McChicken came out yesterday?
Because I got a post for it on my Instagram from World Star.
Wow.
World Star made an announcement.
Let's move past the fact that he follows that.
What?
World Star. It's just like, maybe I'm old, but
what? What else would you call it? 155 Boeing, bearish, $94.
What's the ticker name?
Seconds.
Boeing, BA.
BA, and you were bullish or bearish?
Bearish at
Okay.
155.
155.94. Okay. You're in.
I'm in. Lock it in.
Okay, we're locked. Let's get us normal here. Okay.
Thomas immediately stops sharing screen. Like, as soon as he's done, he just cuts it out right away.
Yeah, dude. Just now, let's just say this: Thomas's picks there were not for the people. They were not for the people.
Well, then we started talking about McDonald's. I think that's more for the people, talking about McDonald's. And
True. If you got a favorite McDonald's order, put it in the comments. Let us hear it.
Oh, I didn't say mine, actually.
What is yours?
Quarter pounder with cheese, and then you got to get a 4-piece nugget, and then you got to get a Diet Coke, medium fry.
It's a good order.
It is a good, I feel like
it's a good order. My normal order, I like to switch it up, but if I'm like just going at it completely, like somebody calls me and says, "Hey, I'm picking up McDonald's right now. What do you want?" I'm gonna get a bacon McDouble, plain, like just bacon cheese. I'm gonna get a McChicken, plain. I don't need all that mayo, dude. Just gonna give me a stomach ache. And then I'll go like a 10-piece nug and a fry. So fat, right? 2 sandwiches, 10-piece nug, fry. However,
are you at least rounding it out with the Diet Coke?
Well, yeah, probably. Yeah. I'm probably doing the 10-piece, the McNugget 10-piece value meal. Yeah, or not the meal with the fries and the drink.
When they had the $5 meal deal, that was good. The $5
we were killing that. Wendy's 4 for $4 was also like really good. Have you guys had the?
I don't know if you remember in high school, Dylan. After baseball, we would go to McDonald's. We would get a McDouble and a McChicken.
Yeah,
put them together.
Yeah, there's
that was back when the dollar menu still existed.
There's a name for that, but it's not. It's probably not the most appropriate for a live show.
I've heard we're talking about the same name. There's been other names though that aren't inappropriate, but I forget what they were called.
We called it the McDank.
Oh, the McDank. That was the appropriate one. Yeah.
Yeah. There isn't an inappropriate one, Thomas.
Yeah. Get your head out of the gutter, dude. Wow. Yeah. That was amazing. That, and then we would, in summer times after a Legion ball, we'd go to the Chinese buffet.
That was brutal.
I've not had a buffet in a while.
I was going to share the second half of the story, but it's gross. So I'm not gonna. We would just overeat. We would just really, really, gorge ourselves with Chinese.
We were high school kids.
Yeah, Ben was driving his Mitsubishi Eclipse with black hubs and a red. What was it called inside there?
That was actually my mom's first car. Was a Mitsubishi Eclipse
with red brake calipers.
It wasn't. No, it was a red car. It was actually a red car, but it wasn't.
Oh.
Ben had subwoofers in the trunk. It took up the entire trunk.
Yeah, it was pretty wild.
There was no more trunk space.
What'd you have in the trunk?
Speakers. Subwoofers.
Subwoofers.
I've never heard of those.
You got to feel the bass.
Anyway, we've gotten off.
We have. Before we sign off, I did want to mention, because we've been messaging it in our emails and things, but I did want to mention just to the public, to whoever's still here listening after that conversation, if you are using PeakBot, or if you're not using PeakBot and you would rather have a professional handle your account for you, you would rather have somebody pick the bots that you're trading or automating with, or pick the stocks that you're trading, that is going to be available very, very soon. In fact, we'll probably announce who our partnership is with sometime next week, but we have partnered with a registered investment advisor so that your account can be managed by a professional. You can still leverage the power of PeakBot's automated trades. Thanks for putting that banner up, Dylan. We do have a wait list. We are onboarding just a handful of clients each week. If you do want to get in on that wait list, shoot us a text.
I was going to put the survey up.
That works too. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we have that. Either way, I'll put the number up
on screen.
Yeah. Now I'm panicking. I don't think I have a pretty link built for it. Text us. Text us
973-888-1166. Got to
put it on. Okay. It's Friday, people. Now it's loading. Okay, text us.
If you're 973-888-1166. If you want to A, leverage the power of PeakBot, and B, have a professional registered investment advisor manage your account for you so you can take full advantage of being hands-free while using technology that has been used by Wall Street hedge funds since the 70s, right? It's only about time that we brought this type of technology over to the retail trader. And that's it. That's what I wanted to mention, because this is a really great service that we're going to be launching here. We'll announce the partnership likely next week, if not the week after. And we have already started onboarding our first wave of individuals to this service. So if you want to be in on future waves, text us 973-888-1166.
Appreciate you, Ben. Great update. I'd like to also just add, we like to come on here and have a good time, and it may at times even seem like we're, not all that serious with some of our picks, being that we're rushing around. We're very serious with our, with our subscribers and making sure that they're taken care of, as well as what will be, maybe clients for our partner in these managed accounts. So, but maybe that was known. I just wanted to be very clear. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Best of luck to all of us in the remaining few hours for this week's picks. Just a reminder, I was on top there again with 3 for 3, and excited to see where we go. So we will be back Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, live for some more excellent information around the world of option selling and automation. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Thanks so much, everybody. Take care.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.